Whenever we onboard a new Google Ads client, there is always a question in their mind how they can give us their Google Ads account access to our agency. So, in this video, we are going to see how you can easily give Google Ads account access to your agency. So, this is the Google Ads dashboard, and you can hover to the admin section on the left panel. After clicking on the admin section, you will go to the access and security, and under this user section, you will click on this plus icon, and here you will write the email of that agency. For example, it's test@test.com. You can write whatever email you want, and then on the access expiry, it's recommended to set never. But if you are giving access to an agency for a day, for a week, maybe for the audit, you can select the expiry date, and then there's an option of select account access level. You can select the access level, mostly standard or admin, because Google Ads specialists have to play with the reports and the billing and the planning tools. So the standard access is good, but if an agency is requesting for the admin access because they want to edit the things they can't do in the standard section, then you can change the access level. For example, I will select standard and then I will send invite. When I will press send invite, it will automatically send an invite to that specific user on their email, and they can accept that, and you can give them the account access. This was the first option, and the second option is you can go to this manager section and ask your agency to send you a manager account access. When they will send you a manager access invite, you will get that invite here, and you can simply accept that, and the access will be given. This is it for the video. Follow us for more.